Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Crafting 101 here. Today we are going to turn this reindeer, paper mache reindeer, into this. That's right, and how we're going to do that is we're going to decoupage sheets of decoupage paper in strips and attach it to the reindeer using a watered down PVA glue which soaks into the paper and sticks it to this, and that's basically what we're going to do. I'm going to use different papers, obviously, as you can see from the picture I put up, but let's crack on with it. So first and foremost, what we're going to do is you just want to cover a small area at a time with either Mod Podge or a watered down glue, and just cover it with a reasonable amount of the glue. And then what you want to do is you want to get a strip of the paper and just attach it like so, and it will stick to the reindeer. And then just go over that with the glue. Like so, and that kind of soaks into the paper and dries clear when it eventually dries. Just gently pushing it down. Just going over the whole thing until it's pushed down with the brush. Until every part of it is stuck down. Change the angle. I mean, this bit's probably the worst bit to do because it's bending the paper right around the whole of the foot. But yeah, once you've got it on there, it will not go anywhere. And then that will dry nice and tightly. Let's have another look from this angle. And there we have our first piece. So I'm going to start on the other legs, so I want all the legs to look the same. So I'm just going to decoupage glue the bottom half of the foot. Like so. What I'm actually using is, so you can use watered down PVA glue, but I'm using Decoupage Papercraft varnish glue. So it's going to save me varnishing it afterwards. So when this dries, it puts a protective layer over the paper that I've put on there. So my next bit of paper I'm going to grab. I'm going to start there, wrap it round, and just brush it in. But what I'll do is I will carry on with this, and I'll pick it up in a little bit, and I've done a bit more to it. And you can see me see it as it progresses. As you can see, it's almost covered now. It's kind of taken about it's taken about 40 minutes, I suppose. I'm going to just fit to stick though. Let's try something else. Let's glue that some more. Dries really quickly, this stuff, so pretty much as you've done one bit, moved on to the next bit, it's almost dry. So in the short space of time that I paused the video to come back to it, some of it had dried, so that's quite impressive really. So I highly recommend. This is the first time I've used Decoupage varnish glue, so I quite recommend it. It's really good. Kind of folds out the creases as it goes along. I've only got the muzzle to do and the tips of the antlers, which won't take long, so I thought I'd come back online and show you as I finish it off. But yeah, as it glues it and dries it, the same glue is also a varnish as well. So as it dries, it leaves a varnishy sheen over the top, which is really good. I like this. Highly recommend it. More glue. What I'll do now is I'll pick it up when I've got it covered and it's pretty much dry. I'll see you in a sec. Well, there you have it, guys. It's totally complete now. It's just drying off a little bit in places, but yeah, it's done. It looks really good, I've got to say. It's the first time I've decoupaged a paper mache reindeer. It is a little bit tricky, especially around the antlers. But it certainly looks really good. I think I went a bit heavy with the glue around the antlers, obviously to get everything stuck down, so it's not quite dry there, but everywhere else is fine. On a scale of 1 to 10, I think I'll probably give that a 5. It's quite easy to do, a little bit time consuming. It took me about 40 minutes to an hour to decoupage it. Well, if you like this video, guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate your support, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you very much.